You don't know who you playing with. Yeah. Pimp style, nigga. If it's trouble and we shooting, it's troubleshooting. We shooting up, but we ain't struggling with drug use. Throwing all these subs with that make you subhuman. This music for submachine gun use. Speeding in the BMW, looking unassuming. Just me and my Uzi, we looking like a couple spooners. Enough with the canoodling. Blow your noodles on your beautiful drip. This is horse and bull, you should Google it. My love language is another matrix. Screw your baby mother like some Cartier love bracelets. Hermes blankets, that's a blanket statement. Need more than a handkerchief, cause we covering all the bases. Might yank you out the whip, strip you naked. Niggas comparing MJ to Weird Al Yankovic. It's a bitch, ain't it? But the love always outweigh the negative. I'm on the edge, I'm at the ledge of the cliff, breaking neck like a breadstick. Forever devilish, don't you ever forget how the AK-47 kick like an elephant. Knock a fella off the edge of the fence. Don't take offense if it's a brick of cocaine we hid in the Mercedes Benz. Baby, that's for my lady friends. We shaking it for a spin.
Who did you know and do some shit like that?
Spin. Hump with the rubber hand grip. You don't know who you playing with. Say it with. Hump with the rubber hand grip. Say it with. You don't know who you playing with. Break it down. Yeah. With the rubber hand grip. Look, soon as drama came afoot, you were shot in the foot. Throw a couple at your knot like you playing shot put. 300 rounds pop your hood, look like you was shot by an octopus. Book your watch, you got everything inside your pocket took. Cops were shook. We took what you hide in your lady pocketbook. Okay, it's time to cook. It look like you threw lava on your designer goods. Asked Doc how it looked, said it's not good. Should've just left the body to rot in the woods. Trying to be Hollywood, got David knocked out shook. The witch made the magic wand out of Hollywood. Gotta keep a shotty nearby when you party or do karate good. If not, you should not be in the hood. Fuck a oppie out, we take it in blood. What? Ain't no love. No motherfucking love.